We just ate at Biscuit Bitch, which was our first thing we did here in Seattle.
We highly recommend it, and it was insanely delicious.
The coffee was amazing.
That's what I was just gonna say.
I can't even get over it. And they were sassy, and the food was great.
And very helpful, because he told us to add bacon, which is always the right answer.
As you can see, it's raining.
We're a block away from Pike's Market.
We're gonna check that out because all we ever do is eat. Not mad about it.
Your change changes lives. You take all my money, pig.
So unfortunately we came here with full stomachs, but it's a lot of fun food.
Tons of different artists, local artists with all their stuff out you can purchase, and a lot of samples.
Yeah, you can spend hours in this place and not see it all.
Yeah, it was really cool. Definitely a must-see.
P.S. If you're trying to find the gum wall, don't leave the market like we did. It's literally right there.
Going the wrong way, apparently.
Great.
It's like not real streets. So it's back. Oh.
Don't worry, we eventually found it thanks to the help of this guy right here. We found the most disgusting place in Seattle.
Or the most Carly place in Seattle. I am addicted to gum.
This is the gum wall. Since we were already in the area, we decided to check out the original Starbucks. It was pretty crowded, so we didn't stay for too long, but it was still worth a look. Of course, no trip to Seattle would be complete without checking out the Space Needle.
We also did VR, where we put on the virtual reality headset and went bungee jumping from the Space Needle. That was pretty cool, and we did
at the Space Needle, not in the Space Needle, at the Space Needle. We decided not to go up it because when you think of the view of Seattle, you think of the Space Needle in it. So we're going to try to find a place across the way to get a better view of the Space Needle and the city itself instead of going up. Seattle has a bunch of islands that you can take a ferry ride to that will give you great views of the city. We decided to go to Bainbridge Island and we're not disappointed. The ferry ride itself is really beautiful and the views of the city are very nice.
at least while you're still close enough to see them. Bainbridge Island itself is really charming and has a cute little shopping district. We kept on walking and were lucky enough to stumble upon the marina, which had some remarkable views.
Here we are on Bainbridge Island. We took a quick 35 to 40 minute ferry. Something like that. $8 round trip, yo.
Made our way over here looking for the best views of Seattle. Didn't really find those. I think we're a little too far out. Definitely got them on the ferry though. But the views here are really nice.
We're on the marina. And we about to feast.
We're gonna go to Dock.
Docks and
We're gonna go to Docks and eat some food. And
we're
then
saying docks because we have no idea what the full name is.
we'll let you know how it is.
Very highly rated.
And then we're headed off to Cary Park and Queen Anne neighborhood.
For dinner. Food.
And
That's
stuff.
the theme.
Food. And more food.
And stuffing food.
All the food. Food.
We continued on the search for the most beautiful views of Seattle at Cary Park. After playing around at Cary Park, we went to go meet the Fremont Troll.
They had a competition to put some work of art here because there was a big homeless population here that they wanted to do something with. So this was the winning idea.
We're on Bill Spiedell's underground tour. It's really cool. We have to do it. Yes, it's really good. And our tour guide Layla is amazing.
So belly up to the bar when you get to the base of the stairs. Now we entered the Moses Corn building, where we are, right here.
We had no idea Seattle was the town that was built over another town. So.
Yeah, that was crazy awesome. And
Yeah.
it was hilarious.
Yeah.
The tour guides are known for being funny.
Yeah.
Excelsior were gold miners who got wealthier by.
It was informative but fun. Like I had no expectations before we went in, and it was really cool.
Right. That I would have paid more for.
Yeah. We just had the best dim sum ever.
And I want to die on a cloud of little dumplings.
They literally rained down from heaven and into our mouths.
The most life-changing meal I've probably had, maybe ever, probably in a very long time. Bye, dim sum.
The next morning, we ventured further into Washington State to see Snoqualmie Falls.
We're here at Skyldeberg Falls, Nuffington Falls, Whale Mine Falls,
Squalamia Falls.
Snuffleupagus Falls. We're here at some falls that we can't pronounce, and
It's very misty.
yeah, all the mist is rising up, but it's really pretty.
It's really cool because we're very, very close to the waterfall, unlike the other one that we went to, and so crash down, shoot back up, and then all the mist goes everywhere, which is why it's probably misty on this video.
We're about 45 minutes away from Seattle, so well worth the drive if you're in the area, and the bathrooms here are pretty nice.
Alright, we figured it out. It is Snoqualmie Falls.
As close as we'll ever get. If you're actually from here, let us know how to say it.
We're actually very close to the waterfall as well, which is pretty neat. And then there's like different stops where you can take different photos and see it from different angles, which is awesome. It's definitely worth a stop.
Stay tuned for the next episode where we cross the border into Oregon State.
Space noodles.
Space Noodle.
That should be a thing.
Yeah. I don't know why they haven't made a restaurant called Space Noodle.
Maybe they
Nobody
did.
take that.